Welcome, today in front of me Oukitel K13 Pro, and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that scroll down to tap here to the security and location, then scroll a bit down and tap to the advanced, then just tap here to the SIM card lock, and now just activate SIM pin on our device SIM card. We should click here once on the switcher and then here enter the password. For example, I'll enter it from 1 to 4, then just tap here to OK. And now we can see that our device successfully locked with PIN code. Our SIM card successfully locked with PIN code. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.